Hi, I'm Henrik Fisker. You're watching the Fireball Malibu vlog.
Welcome to vlog 338. We're headed to the gym. Well, actually, we're on our way there, but she has something kind of important to do. I was wrong. Today is actually the last day for the Lincoln. It goes back tomorrow. Got to drive it down to the museum because the museum's closed on Monday. I do have the Mazda Miata showing up today, so that's going to be cool. We're heading to the gym. We'll come back. We'll pick up that car. Take it for a spin.
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Trouble. Very big car for a little garage. Woo! Like a glove.
It was always good.
Always good. Time for lunch.
Time for lunch.
And then maybe we gotta lay down.
Chances are we do.
Most likely.
What are they doing in Malibu at McDonald's?
What this situation calls for is a lime Jeep. You almost want to go over there and lick it.
I don't.
Okay. What's up, Tyler? What's up? Shannon's here. Karma Dealers. Awesome. Check them out. Yes. Yes. A few things for dinner. It's gonna be delicious, though.
Yep.
It's one of those days. There's not a heck of a lot going on today. I think it's in preparation for Memorial Day, which is a week away.
We better do everything then.
Yeah, for Memorial Day we don't do squat. We just kind of sit back and watch the zoo animals fight each other. It's Kathie's water.
I'm glad I brought you some water, Sandy.
Been a very quiet day. Not a lot going on today. Basically just gotta go get the mail. Crab. 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 Ooh, that's good. Crab. That's good. Tomorrow's trash day. If I don't start now, it'll never get done. Don't worry, it's all recycled.
These are not gluten-free, they're not dairy-free, they're not sugar-free. They're as bad as a cookie as you can get. Kathie is not supposed to have gluten, not supposed to have dairy, not supposed to have anything. That means that I gotta eat all this stuff for her. It's terrible. She took the dogs for a walk. What are you gonna do? Gotta hide all the evidence. Not a lot of car activity today. Sometimes we have those days, but Monday is generally Kathie's day off. She doesn't work on Mondays. She goes to the gym, works out. It's important to take that time. Technically, she's not supposed to work tomorrow also, but her job that she's doing right now, these 3 costumes, wraps on Friday, Thursday. And those will be out of here, which will be nice. And she has a whole slew of new costumes that are going to be coming in, a bunch of stuff. But in between that, there's Sean and Isla's wedding, which is coming up so fast. Oh my God. But I have a big week ahead. Tomorrow we have the Mazda MX-5 Miata coming in, returning the car to the ADM, the Lincoln premiere. I had a photo shoot that got canceled. And I have a big meeting at Gladstone's to talk about Wheels and Waves' upcoming show, Father's Day. Awesome. Wednesday I have a big Ford event, and then there's a whole slew of stuff that's going on that's coming up this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, not a weekend that you really want to leave Malibu for any extended period of time. We shift gears, we do some different things. In the morning, going to the beach, a bunch of other stuff, and just let the zoo animals do what they do. Thank you to all your well-wishers regarding my dad. I just got some news today that he is doing extremely well. You never know. He's just a really tough cookie. So rarely does anything get him down for any extended period of time. He's already on his feet. He had a catheter that's been removed, so now he is forced to have to walk to the bathroom, which is a big plus. My friends, the Karma Dealers today, let's leave you with a tune from them. Awesome group. We'll see you tomorrow.